guys, we're back at it again in the garage. Today we're working on my 2014 BMW R1200 GS Adventure. I snapped off my left-hand front turn signal, washing my motorcycle, of all things, but we got to get it fixed. So here we go. Yeah, it's a little frustrating. This fastener here is a T30. You're going to need it for this one bolt. We're going to pull off these winglets here. It's going to give us a little extra room to move these panels around. And that's going to be a T25 fastener. Alright, we're going to be using that same T25 to pull off this tank cover. We're still working with that same T25. To access these two screws here, you're going to need to remove your seat. You also have a couple fasteners hiding out in here. Just a few more fasteners all together, and we're still working with that T25. There's another one here hiding out on you. We finally have access to where this wire is clipped in. Alright, we are finally at the best part of every project where you get to start putting something back together. Here we go. I'm going to be honest, there's a couple points in this project where it really would have paid off to have some smaller hands around. As you put this tank cover back on, be mindful there's a couple clips and some tabs that all need to line up at the same time. Well, we're wrapping up this project, and I'll tell you, I think I've learned my lesson. I'm going to be a little more careful when washing my bike. Don't want to do this again. Hey, have a good day. Hey, I really appreciate you watching this video all the way to the end. Thank you. It means a lot to me. See you next time.